Hello, and welcome to English Unleashed. I'm Malik, and this podcast is for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful: how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can still improve your English step by step. You don't need to move to the UK or the US. You don't need a native speaker next to you, and you don't need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart steps you can repeat every day. First, let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is one of the most effective ways to improve both your speaking and listening. Here's how it works. Listen to someone speaking English, like me. Repeat exactly what they say, copying the rhythm, tone, and speed. Don't translate. Don't stop. Just repeat like an echo. I want to speak English fluently. Now repeat. I listen to English every day. Repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Repeat. At first, it may feel strange. That's okay. The goal isn't to understand every word, but to train your brain and your mouth to work together in English. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make your speech faster, clearer, and more natural. Listen every day. Listening is the foundation of English fluency. Without listening, speaking becomes very difficult. You don't need perfect understanding. Even 30 to 50% comprehension is enough. Here's how to listen every day. Listen to podcasts like this one. Watch YouTube videos, short stories, or English news. The key is consistency. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a difference. Make English your background music. Your brain will absorb new words, rhythms, and sounds naturally. Think in English. Start thinking in English, one thought at a time. This may feel difficult at first because our brain wants to translate from our native language. Translation slows us down. Try this. When you wake up, it's morning. I need coffee. I feel sleepy, but I'm ready to start my day. When you walk outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. Later, try whispering or saying these thoughts aloud. This creates a direct connection between your mind and English, which helps you speak faster and more naturally. Reading aloud is good for understanding, but reading aloud is even better. It trains your mouth, tongue, and brain to work together. Start small. Read a short story, a dialogue from a podcast, or a children's book. Read it slowly at first, then a little faster. Add expression. Imagine you are acting. Reading aloud is like a gym for your speaking muscles. The more you do it, the more confident and fluent your English will sound. Using English in your daily life. This is the most important step because English becomes part of your world, not just something in a textbook. Here are some easy ways. 1. Change your phone to English. You look at your phone many times a day. Every time you open it, you see English words like settings, brightness, or update available. Your brain learns these words passively without studying. 2. Write a short diary in English. Just 3 sentences a day. Today I went to work. I was very tired. I drank 2 cups of coffee. 3. Record a 1-minute voice message. Talk about your day, your plans, or something you learned. Don't worry about mistakes. Listen back to yourself. Notice pronunciation or grammar errors and improve next time. 4. Join English-speaking groups online. Find WhatsApp, Telegram, Tandem, or Facebook groups. Send short messages or voice notes. Reading and writing with other learners makes English feel alive. 5. Watch short videos and repeat sentences. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Pick short, fun videos. Watch, pause, repeat, and copy their tone, speed, and rhythm. Even 20-second videos can improve your speaking. Remember, small daily habits lead to real fluency. Make English part of your life. In your thoughts, in your phone, in your journal, and in your voice. You don't need perfection. You just need consistency. Start small, repeat often, and enjoy the process. That's when English stops feeling like homework and starts feeling like a natural part of your life. Thanks for listening to English Unleashed. Practice every day and see you next time.